It's a mistake that costs drivers billions of dollars every single year. You're tired, you're in a hurry, and you grab the green handle instead of the black one. Within seconds, you've pumped a fuel into your engine that it was never designed to handle. But have you ever wondered why? Both are derived from crude oil. Both power internal combustion engines. So why does putting diesel in a petrol car or vice versa effectively turn your engine into a very expensive paperweight? Today, we're going under the hood to look at the molecular war happening inside your cylinders. It's not just about the fuel. It's about a fundamental difference in how physics and chemistry work together to move you down the road. Most people think they know the difference, but the reality is much more explosive. To understand the disaster of a fuel swap, we first have to understand the players. Petrol or gasoline is thin, volatile, and evaporates quickly. Diesel, on the other hand, is thick, oily, and heavy. While they both come from the same barrel of oil, they are refined to explode in two completely different ways. One relies on a spark. The other relies on sheer, brutal pressure. Let's break down the science of the Big Bang inside your engine. In a petrol engine, the process is like a controlled campfire. The engine mixes fuel and air, compresses it slightly, and then a spark plug creates a tiny lightning bolt to start the fire. But diesel engines don't have spark plugs. Instead, they use what we call compression ignition. They squeeze the air so tightly and so fast that the air itself reaches temperatures over 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit. When the diesel is sprayed into that superheated air, it explodes instantly on contact. No spark required. Now, let's talk about the nightmare scenario: putting petrol into a diesel tank. This is actually the more dangerous mistake. You see, diesel fuel doesn't just provide power. It acts as a vital lubricant for the high-pressure fuel pump and the injectors. Petrol, however, is a solvent. It's the opposite of a lubricant. When petrol enters a diesel system, it strips away that protective oily film. It's like rubbing two pieces of coarse sandpaper together at thousands of revolutions per minute. Metal shards start breaking off, flying into the engine, and destroying the entire fuel system in a matter of minutes. What about the other way around? You put diesel in a petrol car, the engine usually just stops, because diesel is so heavy and oily. The spark plugs struggle to ignite it. Your car will smoke like a chimney, stutter, and eventually die because the fuel simply cannot atomize properly. It's messy, it's smoky, and it's expensive to clean out, but usually, it won't physically shatter your engine the way petrol does to a diesel system. The real reason they can't swap comes down to their auto-ignition temperature. Petrol is designed to be stable under pressure so it doesn't explode before the spark. Diesel is designed to be unstable under pressure so it explodes because of the pressure. If you swap them, the timing of the explosion happens at the wrong microsecond, and the heavy metal pistons simply can't handle the chaotic shock waves. So, the next time you're at the pump, take that extra second to check the color of the nozzle and read the label. Your engine is a finely tuned instrument, built to handle a very specific type of chemical energy. The gap between petrol and diesel might seem small at the gas station. But inside your engine, it's the difference between a smooth ride and a multi-thousand-dollar repair bill. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button and subscribe. We're diving deep into the hidden science of everyday objects every single week. Thanks for watching, and stay curious.